In this lesson, you'll learn proven methods for diagnosing relay control circuits, identifying whether the fault is in the control, load, power, or ground path, and how to collect real evidence to guide your repair. A relay divides the circuit into two sides: the control side, which receives a command from the ECU or switch, and the load side, which switches higher current to the device. Knowing which side you're testing is critical. Most faults are missed when these get mixed up, so always map your test to the right side first. Open and shorted circuits cause opposite results. An open breaks the signal or power and disables relay function. A short can pull a control signal low or create an unwanted current path, sometimes triggering the relay at the wrong time or blowing a fuse. Recognizing which mode matches your evidence will direct you to the right test point. To confirm a working relay control circuit, measure voltage at the control terminal while the relay is commanded on. You should see battery voltage or ground, depending on circuit type. A missing or incorrect voltage shows if the problem is in the control side wiring, command, or an open, shorted circuit. Always test with the relay energized. Unloaded readings can mislead. You're never guessing if you test each leg of a relay circuit in order. Start with power and ground. Confirm the control signal at the correct time, and check for voltage drop under load. The results directly tell you whether you're chasing a control command, wiring break, load failure, or ground fault. Don't swap relays or parts based on a single clue, like a missing click or a code. Without direct measurement, you risk missing corroded terminals, control side breaks, or hidden circuit issues. Only replace components after you've proven, with voltage or load checks, exactly what's broken. Always separate the circuit into sections. Use real test values, and let the evidence define your next move. That's what makes Diagnosis work, and gets the fix right the first time.